Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video on garden outdoor living. In this video, we will explore ideas and inspiration to create a perfect outdoor retreat where you can relax, entertain and enjoy the beauty of nature. From cozy sitting areas to functional outdoor kitchens, we will guide you through various elements that will transform your garden into a seamless extension of your home. Let's delve into the world of garden, outdoor living and discover how to create a space that combines comfort, style and wonders of the outdoors. Number 1. Comfortable outdoor sitting. The foundation of garden outdoor living begins with the comfortable seating. Whether it's lounge chairs, hammocks, or a cozy patio sofa, ensure your seating is inviting and relaxing. Choose durable weather-resistant materials and cushions for long-lasting comfort. Arrange seating areas strategically to take advantage of scenic views or create cozy nooks for intimate conversations. Add colorful throw pillows and blankets for a touch of coziness and style. Number 2. Functional outdoor kitchens. Take your cooking and dining experiences outdoor with the functional outdoor kitchen. Install a grill, countertop space, and a sink for convenience. Create a dining area nearby with the table and chairs for al fresco meals. Consider adding a mini fridge or a built-in bar for refreshing beverages. An outdoor kitchen allows you to entertain guests while enjoying the fresh air and flavor of outdoor cooking. Number 3. Versatile outdoor structures. Incorporate versatile outdoor structures like pergolas, gazebos, or retractable awning to provide shade and shelter. These structures not only protect you from the elements but also add architectural interest to your outdoor living space. Enhance them with climbing plants or curtains for adding privacy and ambience. Create a cozy reading book nook, a dining area, or a lounge space with these structures to maximize comfort and style. Number 4. Ambient lighting. Set the mood and create a magical ambience with carefully placed outdoor lighting. Choose soft, warm lights to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Utilize string lights, lanterns, and pathway lights to highlight key areas and create a memorizing glow. Considering installing solar-powered lights for an eco-friendly option. Proper lighting enhances safety and extends the usability of your outdoor living space, allowing you to enjoy the beauty day and night. Number 5. Outdoor fire features. Introduce warmth and cozy focal points with outdoor fire features. Whether it's a fire pit, a chimney, or a fireplace, these elements create an inviting gathering spot. Roast marshmallow, share stories, or simply enjoy the crackling flames on a cool evening. Fire features provide both warmth and ambience, make them a perfect addition to your garden outdoor living space. Number 6. Relaxing water features. Enhance the tranquility of your outdoor retreat with a relaxing water feature. Install a bubbling fountain, a peaceful pond, or a cascading waterfall to add a soothing element to your garden. The sound of running water and the sight of shimmering reflection create a serene atmosphere. Water features also attract birds and wildlife, adding an enchanting touch to your outdoor living experience. Number 7. Lush greenery and landscaping. Surround yourself with lush greenery and thoughtful landscaping to create a natural oasis. Incorporate a variety of plants, trees, and flowers to add color, texture, and fragrance. Consider native plants and low maintenance option for easy care. Use raised beds, borders and decorative containers to define spaces and add visual interest. Thoughtful landscaping creates a harmonious backdrop of your outdoor living area, connecting with the beauty of the natural environment. Conclusion: Garden outdoor living about creating a seamless blend of comfort, style and nature. By incorporating comfortable seating, functional outdoor kitchens, versatile structures, ambient light, fire features, water feature and lush landscaping, you can transform your garden into a perfect outdoor retreat. Embrace these ideas and let your creativity flourish as a design an inviting space that allow you to fully enjoy the pleasure of outdoor living. Thank you for watching my video.